for today's video, we got another install, and this is a big one, at least for me, I think. We just got these injector dynamics with the clips so that we don't have to do any cutting. But we also got a 255 Walbro fuel pump here, so we got it. We're gonna throw it on today, hoping I can get it done today and get it tuned on the E85. We got everything. So right now I gotta pump out the gas. I gotta pump out the gas. I gotta take this off, put the new injectors on, and pump out the gas. So we're gonna get to doing that just right now and then get it done. Buy old injectors. So literally got them off a little bit last time, smelling that kind of gas here, but we're gonna go ahead and put the new ones in starting now. Before we even get started on the injectors, to be honest, I'm gonna get started on the fuel pump. So we just got it out and literally just watching Surge Motive's videos. I'm gonna go ahead and try and get this taken care of. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done and let's see how it finishes off. We're getting somewhere with these YouTube videos. We got this removed. That's the old fuel pump. This is a new one. So shout out to, I'll link the video with that 3rd Gen 4Runner, but I'll link the video in the bio or in the thing, so you guys can check it out if you guys do end up upgrading the fuel pump. But I don't want to show too much of the process since most of you guys already know how to do this and it's not a new thing. So definitely I'll push the link, that way you guys can check it out. But so yeah, we got this fuel pump thing we're gonna install, and then we also got we're switching out these bitches, so you guys will see the whole reveal on that too. So now it's time to put this back in and get it going. So I ran into a couple issues. So this hose is too small. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone, get a longer one, and then I already got the fuel jug back here. Just fill it up with the E85 starting now, and then hopefully I can still get it tuned. I mean, it's already 2:30, so hopefully I can get it done in time. Alrighty, so about to pull home. We got the hose right here. So we got a longer one, as you guys can see, and we got that E85 right there posted up. So we're just gonna get home, finish the rest of the install, try and finish that fuel pump or the fuel pump thing on there, and then start throwing it on there. But pretty much it's almost a wrap. And then hit up the guy, hit up Dardan, see if he's down or open to tune the car. So we'll see. But I'm excited either way. And then I just gotta go pick up those Rims soon. So I'm excited for all of that. So let's go ahead and get it. Oh yeah, so it's finally assembled, ready to go. The new fuel pump is in there. Now I just gotta throw it back in, but I don't know, there's still some a little bit left. So I'm trying to clear it out as much as I can, so it doesn't mess it up or anything like that. And then I'll just install the injectors, and then hopefully Dardan's still available. But pretty much it's all good to go, and we're ready to go.
Dang. You got some orange shit down there? That's not bad. Look good. Fuck no.
Sheesh.
Damn, you're gonna have to hella raise it.
Yeah.
Look at that hoe. Look at that hoe.
Should we throw these on right now?
I mean, fuck it, why not?
Just to see him, yeah.
There we go, boys. So we got it set up. That's already out of the picture. We got these now. Definitely gonna have to raise it because you can see that right there. I ain't trying to mess these up. I know a lot of people are like, oh, RPFs, they're so basic for an RSX. Why the fuck did I get them? I got them because fucking performance, bro. Want all performance on this shit. So I'm gonna drive this car and fucking upgrade it. I want it to be on the performance side, not on the stand stout side. The stand stout side was cool enough for a while. Now I want to switch it up, so there's a new look. As far as the tune, we're gonna have to wait for another day just because this thing does not keep up at all. Like, it boggles on me. So I'm not gonna do that. Damn, this makes me want to fucking like paint my car so bad. But soon, eventually we'll paint this. I'm probably gonna paint the same color as I like that black, but gonna raise up the back a bit. We're gonna wait for that tune. Hopefully the guy Dardan can drive out and we can get a tune. So we'll see. Just because I try to drive this thing and it does not want to go. So we'll see what's up. But I'm gonna make a couple adjustments on the car. Probably drop the front a bit and raise the back, this one for sure, so I'm gonna take care of that. Alrighty, so we're chilling outside of the house right now. We just So today I just hit up Dardan for the tune, just because I definitely want to get it done and get this thing up and running again. So I hit up Dardan, and then everything was going smooth. We were all getting it tuned. We were about to go do a 3K to 7K pull on the RSX, and then all of a sudden we start hearing a noise in the back tire. And the only reason it was making a noise because all the lug nuts on this shit was loose as hell, and one of them was about to fall off on the other side as well. So it was a big shit show. But another thing, my laptop died in the process of it. So right now we're just charging the laptop. We're gonna go do another drive to record the data log and then record the AFR, just because the AFR is not connected to the ECU, which I want to do eventually. But pretty much is ready to go. The tune should be good to run, and now we're just waiting it out till the thing charges. So
More gas and shit.
alrighty, so we're gonna go run the little recording really quick. Just recording at the moment. We just gotta get the AFR on there, get it focused. So we're gonna go ahead and get this taken care of, and then we'll keep you guys updated back on it. Alright, so we got the third gear down. We're just waiting to get a response from Dardan. So we're just gonna wait on that. Follow the Instagram real quick. But yep, shout out to Adrian for helping me out with this one. He's been a big help freaking driving this into gear, because I know he drives cars really good. I can drive it good, but I don't know, I'm kind of booty at it. I'm good, but not that good. Like, this was good, so I let him do it. So now we're just waiting to get a response and see if we're good. If not, then what else is needed. But pretty much we're all set. We're just waiting outside of here, just chilling outside at the moment. I think there's 2 people smashing over there. But anyways, we're pretty much, I think, almost there. Pretty much he said we're almost done, so I'm just waiting out, see what's up. The other guy wanted something. Alrighty guys, so the car is good to go now. So it's good to go. Everything is looking good. The AFR is perfect. And shout out to Dardan for helping me out with this. If it wasn't for you, man, I wouldn't have this already set up. So I appreciate you helping me out. Shout out to Adrian for helping me out as well. But baby's gonna go. You guys hear those pops? Hit him with the pop real quick. Here we go. Nah, there's crazy loud pops. So the only thing I gotta adjust now is just the wheels in the back, or raise it up a bit. Other than that, the car's pretty much good to go, according to Dardan. So I'm happy with the way the build came out. I apologize that I wasn't able to go ahead and get the vlog the way I wanted it to. Only reason why is because Saturday, literally, started working on this on Saturday right after work, and finished it installing the fuel pump and the fuel injectors around like 4 p.m. and then Dardan needed me to take it out. To be honest, the car wasn't drivable, but I'm glad at the end it ended up working out and the car's up and running now with everything. So it was a whole rush having to take the wheels as well and get them wrapped with those tires and everything like that, and then having to go back again. So it was a whole mess, but it was worth it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys definitely, I haven't driven it yet, but I'm excited to drive it. So I'm gonna just work on raising the back, but I'm excited to drive this and get this thing back on the road. Hell yeah. All right, so the next clips that you're gonna see are the next day after the tune. So I don't know where I was just driving and my car was not responding. I hit the throttle, nothing. I thought I was out of gear. So I went into neutral, put it back into third, and then downshifted and nothing. There was no response at all. The car just shut off on me. And so I had to end up calling the tow truck, and we literally thought it was a sensor, either the TPS or the map sensor, but turns out that it was actually the fuel pump. So the return line got detached, so it wasn't pumping fuel into the injectors through the engine. So that's what created that thing. And I guess to prevent it from messing up, the car just turned off on me. So I had to pull over, and literally we waited 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours waiting on the tow, and there was a whole issue going on. So I'll let the clips play, and then I'll get back to you guys after those. Quick update on this. Car ended up shutting down. I was driving, then out of nowhere I was hitting the gas, and this thing didn't want to do anything. It wasn't even running, or like I hit the gas, nothing. So it's currently just sitting right now waiting for a tow truck. So we're just chilling out here. Zico's right there. So we're just gonna wait it out. Damn, that thing looks so clean. Quick photo shoot real quick. But yeah, so it looks like it might be the TPS sensor or the map sensor. So I'm gonna probably end up getting those and getting it swapped out. But hopefully that pretty much wraps it up for this. I'm just gonna get it towed. And yeah, great success, I guess. But I'm not too worried, just gonna get that towing taken care of and that's it. So keep you guys updated. Alrighty, so we're here for fucking 2 hours already. Literally just waiting on the tow and we haven't had any luck. It's already 10:39 right here. As you can see, it's 10:39. And we called him like 3 times. The guy said that his truck wasn't running. And he's like, his truck wasn't running or something like that. So we called dispatch or the people again. They said that they're gonna send him out again, and nothing. We waited 10 minutes and gave it a little 4 minutes past the time, and we called him back, and he's like, "Oh, my car doesn't start." So we're dealing with some bullshit right there. So there's a company that we were gonna get towed by, but it didn't work out. So don't hit them up for anything else. Trust it, their ass. But other than that, we're just hitting up another spot, charge way less, and they can get it done. So shout out to my sister for getting that taken care of. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this shit towed home. Just the whole process, fucking 2 hours just waiting here. But you know, it's part of the process. It's what you get for upgrading something and not having the right upgrade, you know. But lesson learned. 3 hours later, and here we are, finally getting a tow. So, literally, let's see how long it's been. It's been 11:28. So, definitely has been 3 hours with this, and we're finally getting it towed. That's all that matters. Fuck that CV towing. I'm gonna pull up tomorrow and get that taken care of. But we're finally gonna get home, hopefully, and that's a wrap. All right, so keep in mind that this was right after work. And it was already like 8:20 when the car broke down on me. And we called the tow company, and that was CV Towing. So we ended up calling them. They're like, "We're going to send somebody out 45 minutes. We wait those 45 minutes. No one shows up. We call back. We're like, "Hey, are you on your way? Are you almost here?" The guy literally says, the driver's like, "My truck is down." So we're like, not even a heads up or nothing like that. Fine. And so we call back the dispatcher that sends out the drivers. And she's like, "All right, give me a second. Let me look into this." And so she calls back saying that they're going to send the driver out. So we're like, "All right, how long will that take?" She's like, 10 to 14 minutes. We wait 10, 14 minutes, call back. We're like, "Hey, man, are you on your way?" He's like, "No, my truck is down still." And we're like, "Okay, cool. Well, the lady said that you were going to be sent out. That's the thing." He's like, "Oh, no one told me nothing." So we're like, what the hell? Like, we're literally waiting right here. So I ended up getting the supervisor's number. And keep in mind, the lady was like, "Oh, we can't take any cash. You're going to have to pay card." So here goes my dumbass, not getting serviced. I end up giving them my card number. And so they take the payment. And then after all the issues happened, I was like, "Can I get your supervisor's number?" This and that. And then I asked the supervisor, "Hey, man, like, look, literally the truck never moved out of its spot. So it's just free money at the end of the day given to you guys. So I need that refunded because at the end of the day, you guys never showed up." So the guy literally says, "No, I can't refund you the money. I'm already on my way." This and that. I was like, don't even show up. Like, there's no point in showing up after 2 hours that literally you could have showed up if that truck was down, you know? Like, I understand the truck was down. But at the end of the day, it should have been like, "Hey, we can't make this for you. Like, we're not going to be able to come and get you." So that's the whole deal. But yeah, definitely don't hit that company up. We're not the first ones. If you look at the Yelp reviews, one person actually had the same problem. But all of that could have been avoided. Shout out to Loyal Towing though. They hella helped me out, and it was way cheaper. And they literally got me here in like 20, 30 minutes. So other than that, just a quick minor fix. Just make sure to double check on everything. When you apply stuff, just tie it down real nice and good. But let me know what you guys would want to see for the build. I'm thinking of getting some bride seats, some low max, or just going full on getting the turbo or a paint job because the paint is pretty bad on this car and I want to make it look nice. So let me know what you guys think. leave it in the comments. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of the build so far and your guys' opinions. So other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next one.